Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. So, our today's objective, what we'll be doing today is we will be able to identify the main idea by inferencing. Okay. Now we know how to identify. We will be identifying the main idea by inferencing. I hope you all know by now what is inferencing. Inference and prediction are mostly the same things, but prediction is something हम future का predict करते हैं, अंदाजा लगाते हैं, and inferencing हम उसमें भी guess कर रहे हैं, but we are guessing what the author is trying to tell us indirectly. Author ने directly लिख के नहीं दिया है passage में, but he is we have to read between the lines, and also we have to think what do we already know, and we have to read the text from the evidence लेना है हमको, and that is how you make an inference. You have to read between the lines and try to guess what the author is trying to tell us. So we will be able to identify the main idea by inferencing. ठीक है? Now Didi will read the passage, then we will see what are the questions, and we are not writing any answer today. As we all know, these passages, they contain only multiple choice, so we are tick marking the answers, but the whole idea behind this is you understand each and every word of the passage, so that you know all the vocabularies, and you know exactly what is happening in the passage, so that you answer them correctly. Okay, now the title of the passage is Rosa's surprise. Okay, whose surprise? Rosa's surprise. So when we say that something belonged to somebody, we always put this apostrophe s. Okay, this is Nadia's pen. So Nadia's में apostrophe s आएगा, मतलब ये मेरा पेन है. So whose surprise? Rosa's surprise. After the snow stopped, Rosa went out to build a snow house. What happened after the snow stopped? Rosa went out to build what? A snow house. She worked at it all afternoon. Okay. When did she work? She worked at it all afternoon. That night, she told her family all about it at dinner. The next morning, Rosa couldn't wait to go outside. She was shocked. Her snow house was a big mess. Okay, she was really shocked. Okay, when you know something good has happened, or something bad has happened, or something exciting is happened, we are generally, tend to give a very shocking reaction. So she was very shocked. Now her snow house was a big mess. Now her snow house was a big mess. It was a mess. उससे आपको क्या पता चलता है? What you think Rosa could be feeling at that point? Okay, pause the video and wonder what Rosa might feel when her house was a big mess after she worked all afternoon. Okay, and she talked so much about it. Think about you, make connections that how you feel when you have worked on something and it turned out to be bad. It turned out to be a mess. Who would ruin my house? Rosa asked. The sun, said her dad. It melted the snow. Okay, that's what is happening in the passage. Now, I hope you understood the passage. It was a very simple and easy passage. What you will do, you will copy the passage in your notebook in a very neat handwriting. Okay, and all the full stops, punctuation, and capitals in place. After you're done copying the passage, you will read the passage and send this to me on my WhatsApp. Make sure you understand the passage really well. Yeah. Now, question first. In this paragraph, the word ruin must mean. In this paragraph, now what kind of question is this? This is a kind of context clues question where we read आगे पीछे word के and we try to understand the meaning of the word. Now, what would ruin my house? Rosa asked. Okay. तो इन दिस पैराग्राफ इसका मतलब क्या है? ऑप्शन ए कॉज डैमेज, ऑप्शन बी स्टील अवे, ऑप्शन सी रन अराउंड इन. Question 2. Which sentence is most likely true? Okay, now what we are doing, we are inferencing. So we will think, we will guess. And passage से हम find करेंगे कि कौन सा sentence ज़्यादा true है. Option A, it was very cold that night. Option B, the sun was out all night. Option C, it was much warmer in the morning. Question 3. The main idea of this story is, now we are finding main idea here. We all know how to find main idea. We read the passage, we read the first line, we read the end of the sentence and we try to gauge कि passage mostly किस बारे में है and then वो आपका main idea बन जाता है. Option A, dinner with Rosa's family. Option B, Rosa's snow house. Option C, a big mess of snow house. Okay, now hope you understood and you will do it really well and you will get all the answers right. Now step 1, you will copy the passage in your notebook with all punctuation, full stop, capitals in place in a very neat handwriting. Step 2, you will read and understand the passage really well, and while you are reading, you will also record your voice and send me on my WhatsApp while reading. Step 3, you will go to the question, and after you have understood the passage really well, you will move to the question part and answer the questions correctly. And then step 4, when you are done with all your assignment, you will click a picture and send me on my WhatsApp. Okay, make sure you submit it early so Didi can check and give it back to you, and you can see what improvements you need to make and what are your next steps. Okay, and that's it. I hope you learned something new today and you enjoyed the passage as well. And have a really nice day. Take care. And yeah, any doubt, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.